Welcome my channel AB.stories guys. We are back after 1 month, so I hope you waiting for my new video. For now I am tell you about my recent logo projects. In this video we saw, so don't waste any time, let's start. So first one is, this is a blue holders technology logo, my recent client. And the second one I made for my logo for my friend. This is my friend logo. He asked to make a logo for him, so I made a logo for him. This is a Vishal Hijacker logo for his YouTube channel. So, and second one is logo, not a logo, yes, logo icons. So this is icon I create a recent client. He don't paid any money yet, but he paid or not that's a question now. So one is this of project is a food icon. This is not so good. And next one is, it is which I create most for myself, my YouTube channel new. This is I have a sketch. First I am doing a sketch of this, and after I create this logo. And second one I create a cow logo, a vegetable logo for my recent client. So I hope you like and give a big thumbs up and subscribe AB Story. In future my video levels is up in future.